Multiple choice questions on Indian geography. Part 3. Question number 21. Which one of the following island is of volcanic origin? Answer. Reunion Island. Explanation. Reunion Island is situated in Indian Ocean. It is known for volcanic activity, rainforested interior, coral reef and beaches. Question number 22. Pir Panjal range in the Himalayas is a part of. Answer. Lesser Himalaya. Explanation. Pir Panjal range is concerned with Lesser Himalayan region. It includes Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir. Question number 23. Which one of the following divides India into northern and southern parts? Answer. Tropic of Cancer. Explanation. The Tropic of Cancer divides India into almost two halves, north and south parts. Question number 24. Which one of the following is an artificial lake? Answer. Kodaikanal. Explanation. Kodaikanal has 159 years old artificially built lake in Tamil Nadu. Question number 25. Which waterway separates India from Sri Lanka? Answer. Park Strait. Explanation. The Park Strait is situated between the Tamil Nadu and the Myanmar district of the province of Sri Lanka. Question number 26. The Hill Station of Coonoor is located in which one of the following state? Answer. Tamil Nadu. Explanation. Coonoor Hill Station is situated in Nilagiri district of Tamil Nadu. Question number 27. India shares maximum length of border with. Answer. Bangladesh. Explanation. Bangladesh shares longest border with India. Both countries share a 4096 km long international border, the fifth longest land border in the world. Question number 28. Which one of the following island of India is an active volcano found? Answer. Barren Island. Explanation. Barren Island is located in the Andaman Sea. It is only confirmed active volcano in South Asia. Question number 29. Velikonda group of low hills is structural part of. Answer. Eastern Ghat. Explanation. The Velikonda range is a low mountain range that forms part of the Eastern Ghat mountain range system in eastern India. The Velikonda range is located in Andhra Pradesh. Question number 30. Which is the highest peak in Andaman and Nicobar Islands? Answer. Saddle Peak. Explanation. Saddle Peak is the highest peak of Andaman and Nicobar Island. It has a height of 732 meters. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe my channel.